Mycetoma is a fungal disease. This one is subcutaneous mycosis. That means just below the skin it causes infection. It forms granulomatous lesion. It causes triad. That means it first causes swelling, then sinus, then granules discharges. So mycetoma, it is a fungal disease. It causes infection below the skin. So it is called subcutaneous mycosis. It forms granulomatous lesions. It causes triad. First causes swelling, second sinus, then granules. This mycetoma caused by two species, Madrella mycetomatis and Pseudo-Lazaria baidii. So it is caused by Madrella mycetomatis and Pseudo-Lazaria baidii. This mycetoma is also called as Madura mycosis or Madura food. Why so many Madura means it was first described in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India in the year of 1842. So it forms granulomatous lesion. It causes triad. First swelling, then sinus, then third one is granules discharge. It caused by two species, Madrella mycetomatis and Pseudo-Lazaria baidii. This one is also called as Madura mycosis or Madura food because first described in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India, 1842. It have three different types. First one is U. U means true. U mycetoma, true fungi. Second one is due to bacteria look like fungi. Second one is actinomycetoma. Third one is Botryomycosis. Botryomycosis caused by Staphylococcus aureus. First one is true fungi, U mycetoma. Second one is look like fungi. That one is actinomycetoma. Third one is caused by Staphylococcus aureus, Botryomycosis. Then now we see about difference between eumycetoma and actinomycetoma. Eumycetoma caused by fungi. This one caused by bacteria, actinomycetes. Then these granules, black or white in color. This actinomycetoma, white or red in color. These granules, black color means it is caused by Madrella mycetomatis. White color means it is caused by Pseudo-Lazaria baidii. So black granules caused by Madrella mycetomatis. White means Pseudo-Lazaria baidii. Here white to yellow color granules caused by Actinomadrella madurae or Nocardia species or Streptomyces somaliensis. So yellow granules, white to yellow granules means Actinomadrella madurae. Pink to red color means Actinomadrella bellatin. White to yellow color Actinomadrella madurae. Pink to red color means Actinomadrella bellatin. Then it causes tumor single. This one is leg, it having that well defined margin, single tumor. Here multiple tumor is there. Masses with ill defined margin like cluster. Then sinus here appear later, few in number only, but here appear rarely, numerous with raised inflamed opening. Then discharge serious. This one is prolonged. Then bone osteosterotic lesion. This one is osteolytic lesion. Then granules containing fungal hyphae. This one is Filamentous bacteria. So what are the different eumycetoma and actinomycetoma? Eumycetoma caused by fungi. This one is bacteria. This granules color black or white. Here actinomycetoma white or red. Black color means Madrella mycetoma. White color means Pseudo-Lazaria baidii. White to yellow color means Actinomadura madurae. Pink to red color means Actinomadura ballatin. This tumor single or well-defined margin. This one is multi-tumor. Then sinus appear later, here appear early. Discharges serous, this one is purulent. Then grains containing fungal hyphae, this one is filamentous bacteria. Moving on, pathogenesis, how it does come from soil, how this organism enter human body from soil. There is drama to the skin. This fungal will enter skin through fric. Fungi enter our body, slowly progress and affected skin. Initially it causes microabscess, slowly progress and then it causes chronic and granulomatous, affected skin and subcutaneous lesion. So pathogenesis, how it will come from soil. There is a drama on the skin. This fungus enter to the skin through prick. This fungi enter the body, then slowly progress and affected skin and subcutaneous tissue. Then we already know it causes triad. First it will causing swelling, then sinus, then granules discharges. Then we will write here difference between eumycetoma and actinomycetoma. So pathogenesis, from soil it will enter human body through trauma of the skin, slowly progress and it will progress to chronic and granulomatous, affected skin and subcutaneous tissue. Then triad, first it will cause swelling, sinus and granules discharges. Now we see about epidemiology. This one is endemic, presented in Africa, South America. In India, Rajasthan maximum, but first described in Madurai. So that name Madurai. My epidemiology, this one is endemic, presented in Africa, South America also. In India, maximum number of patient presented in Rajasthan, but first described in Madurai. Next video we will see about laboratory diagnosis and treatment of mycetoma.